Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. If you're just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix common CorelDraw problems. Now you can see that now I have in this particular one. Now I'm going to be showing you I have an issue opening my CorelDraw software to actually work on. You can see by the time I try to open it, you can see it will take a little time, and at the end it will refuse to open. You can see it actually refused opening. Let me try opening it again and see. So you can see that this is actually most of the problem most people actually face while using their software to work. Now I'm going to be showing you the easy way to be able to fix this particular problem. Without waste of time, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Now to fix this particular problem, what you just need to do is to just hold down Windows key on your keyboard and press R. Now it's going to open the run for you. Then just type in regedit. Now once you do that, you are going to click on OK. It's going to request you open this. Now you just accept yes. Now what you're going to do now, I was already here. So now what you're going to do now, this is how your tab is going to look like. So now you're going to head over to where you have this H key local machine. So just click on it and come to where you have your software. It's going to be like this. Come to where you have your software, you click on the software, then you are going to come to where you have your CorelDraw. Then come to CorelDraw, click on CorelDraw. Then if you have different versions of CorelDraw, you are going to see there are different versions here. Now I'm actually going to be working on this one. Going to click on it. Now once you're on this part, what you are going to you are going to see IPM. This, just click on this. Once you come over here, now you are going to see where you have this show ELA. This, just come to where you have this reg. Just right click on this part, right click on it and modify it. Now instead of 0 and 1, I'm going to impute 0 in that particular place. On the values there, the value of the data is going to be 0. Then you click on OK. Once you do that, you can now close this. Now once you close that, you refresh your screen. Now let's try opening our CorelDraw again. So let's see. So you can see by this time around, after doing this, you can see it's actually loading my CorelDraw interface for me. So now you can see everything has been loaded successfully. If you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. So this is actually how you can actually be able to fix same CorelDraw problem in case it actually you are trying to open it and is actually throwing all these errors. This is the easiest way you can be able to solve that problem. I believe you might have learned from this tutorial. If you have any question or any problem you want me to actually work on, don't hesitate to just drop in the comment box below. I'll try my possible best to see how to answer. And if you have any challenge anywhere, or you want have any video idea you want me to actually work on, you can do same thing by dropping it in the comment box below. So until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Ensure you watch other of my videos to get to learn so many things from CorelDraw or other aspects of my video tutorials. Until next time, bye for now.
Drive